everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and today I bring to you a Born Pretty store review and we are going to do a design. So what I have here is, this is a holographic stamping polish. Check it out. This is how it came in this nice box. Wanted to put it back in there, but let me get it out of here and show you. It's very nicely packaged. Check out the holo in there. And let's see. Super cool. Okay, we're gonna give that a test drive and see. And then this polish, this is a gel and it's a color changing or temperature changing gel. Let me go ahead and show you the color. It's a very deep green, and if I remember correctly, it changes into I want to say brown and blue. I think it's one of those that has kind of like the 3 stages in the color changing. Yeah, quite curious with that. And then I am going to use, this is a stamping plate. I've already broken the seal there, but it's a Halloween S002. And let me show you the images. Of course, it's nicely protected with the blue film on the front and Born Pretty Stores sticker on the back. So let me go ahead, I'm going to go ahead and peel this off. Okay, so take a closer look at these images. So cute, super cool. We have some cats and witches. I like the witch in the brewing, owls and trees, some ghosts, and bats and moons, of course, and then of the trick or treat. So I'm going to go ahead and do a design using all 3 of these items, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so here's the finished mani with, after I applied my gel top coat and cured. So as you saw, I did 2 coats for this thermal polish, and I cured each coat 30 seconds in my LED lamp, and it did really well. So good coverage. I did like the formula in it, and let's see what it does now. I have some warm water here right under my hands so we can see the change, and you see it is stamped with the holographic polish, which in my opinion, I think it did really well as well. So I'm kind of calling this a haunted forest mani. And yeah, I noticed now it's going to, I'm expecting it to disappear when it changes colors. There it is. Oh yeah, because it turns, this is looking like, it's not quite a yellow, but it's kind of like a creamy yellow. It's what it's turning into. See, there it is. And you can kind of tell that my nails are stamped, but you can't quite tell the image because they disappear. This holographic disappears. But yes, I found the holographic stamping polish to be somewhat in the thin, somewhat thin. Maybe if it was a little bit thicker, I'd probably do a little better, but it works well. And there you can see the color already changing. Yeah, this is fun. I like this color. That's very pretty. It's kind of like a nude. All right, so I will remember that I will have links down in the description bar below to all these items from Born Pretty, and I do have a code. I will have it down at the bottom of the screen where you can you'll get a 10% discount. Remember that Born Pretty has their 8th anniversary sale coming up on the week of October 10th through the 16th. That's another promotion that you can, and discounts that they're going to have, and you guys can take advantage of. So I would like to thank Born Pretty Store for sending me these beautiful items to play with and review. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.